everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find all perfect squares in a given range. So let's get started. In the first line defines a function named perfect squares that takes two arguments, start and end. This function will find and return all perfect squares within the range from start to end. Here, in the next line, initializes an empty list named squares. This list will store the perfect squares found within the given range. So, in the next line, this line loops through all numbers from start to an end inclusively. Here, range creates a sequence of numbers starting from start and ending at the end. So, here, this line checks if the current number is a perfect square. So here, number multiplied by 0.5 calculates the square root of number. Now, is integer checks if the square root is an integer. If the square root is not an integer, it returns false. Now, the next line, if number is a perfect square, it adds num to the square list. Here, the next line after the loop finishes, the function returns the list squares, which contain all the perfect squares found within the range. So, in the next line, this line prompts the user to input the starting value of the range with the message enter the start of the range, and the next line prompts the user to input the ending value of the range with the message enter the end of the range. Here the last line calls the perfect squares function with start and end as arguments. This line prints the list of perfect squares returned by the function. So let's check this code. I am entering the starting range. I am entering 20. The next range 45. Hence I got two numbers which are perfect squares and are 25 and 36. Thanks for watching this video.